Well, I'm up in Summit, and the plan is to take video of the train passing the Summit line shack. It's starting to rain again. It's been doing it off and on all day. Hoping not to get any water drops on here. I can hear the train coming. Rain. Here we go. Shivering again, it's so cold. This is October 1st. Oh, the wind's coming up. They just use the one set of tracks now. This previously was owned by the DSS&A, the Sioux line. Now it's the CN. Okay, I'm gonna step over here. Try to get the train as it goes past the line shack here. Whoops. Drop right at the bad time. That didn't help, did it? I think that happened the last time I was trying to get a line check in with it. There we go. There we go. Now the sun's coming out. And I'm getting more rain. Certain areas just don't work for me very good, I gotta tell you. Okay, there we go. Leaving without me again. Trying to get something to wipe this off with. I don't know if that's wise or not. There's that sun.